In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design clean, readable captions for Instagram videos in Premiere Pro. Captions do more than repeat dialogue. They boost retention, help viewers watch on mute, and make your content accessible. We'll walk through creating captions, choosing a font, adding a background box, picking color, positioning for social platforms, and adding simple animations that feel modern. Start by creating your captions. In Premiere Pro, open the window menu, choose text, then select Create Captions to generate a caption track. If you prefer to write them yourself, use the Type tool and place text where you want it. Keep each caption concise, aim for 1 to 2 short lines, and time them so they appear slightly before the words are spoken and disappear a beat after. Read them back to make sure they're comfortable to scan. Next, pick a clean, bold, modern font for readability. Fonts like Montserrat, Poppins, or Babus Neue are great options because their letter forms stay clear on small screens. Choose a weight that stands out without looking heavy, and size your text so it's legible on mobile, typically larger than you think. Avoid overly decorative styles that can blur or shimmer during compression. To ensure your text stands out on busy footage, add a background box in the Essential Graphics panel. Enable the background behind the text and set it to solid or semi-transparent. Adjust the padding so there's breathing room around the words, and consider a slight corner radius for a polished look. If you go semi-transparent, keep opacity high enough to maintain contrast, especially over highlights. Use color wisely. Pick bright or pastel tones that match your video's mood, but keep contrast high. White on dark backgrounds and black on light ones are the safest bets. Reserve accent colors for emphasis, like highlighting a keyword, and check your choices on a phone to be sure they remain readable outdoors. Position your captions slightly above the bottom safe area. This keeps them clear of Instagram's interface elements and prevents them from hugging the edge. Verify placement in both vertical and square formats, and make sure the text stays within title-safe guides so it won't be cropped. Finally, consider subtle animation. A gentle fade in and out or a short slide